I'm Mexican, yes, I'm Mexican. But I got my papers, I'm resident, I got my papers, I got everything fine.
On October 27, 2025, at approximately 9:30 p.m., officers with the Joliet Police Department responded to a reported domestic disturbance at a local bar. According to police, the situation began inside the bar when a 39-year-old man allegedly struck a woman in the face before the altercation continued outside in the parking lot. Authorities say a second woman was also hit when she attempted to intervene. When officers arrived on scene, they located the suspect sitting inside a vehicle.
You speak English?
Yes, officer.
Get out of the car.
Okay. I'm okay. Don't start. I got it.
Step out of the car.
That's fine.
Step out of the car, man.
It's my truck.
Just step out of the car.
It's fine.
Step out. Don't.
You got a letter? You got a letter? No, okay, it's
Step
fine.
out of the car.
You got the letter. You got the letter. Put your hand for this. You want to fight for this, man. You fight for this. That's fine. That's fine.
I got him. I got him.
1101 North Hickory.
You're gonna roll out. It's fine. I want to know your number. Your name, your number. That's fine. That's fine.
You want it?
That's fine.
I got his legs if you want to roll him
I
over.
want to know your name. What's your name? What's your name, officer? What's your name, officer? What's your name? What's your name? That's your number.
Roll over on your stomach.
What's your number?
On your stomach now.
That's fine. What's your
On
name?
your stomach.
What's your name?
You're under arrest.
Fine.
On your stomach.
That's fine.
Get on your stomach now.
What are you do? What's your name?
On your stomach.
I got my papers. I got
Yeah,
everything
right
here.
there.
It's fine. I'm Mexican, yes, I'm Mexican. But I got my papers. I'm resident. I got my papers. I got everything fine.
Good for now. I got 6 now.
20, you can slow the other units down.
Ready for me in a close down on Hickory slow down.
Guys, I want my shoe.
Stand up.
One more shoe. One more shoe. Good for you. One more shoe. Good for you. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. That's fine. You see my lip? You see my lip? Who's scaring me? See my lip? Who's scaring me?
That's great.
Yeah.
Come on.
Great. Good for you. Good. I'm okay. Let's go. Everything is there.
Yeah, but you're a woman beater.
I feel.
Whoa. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Hey, wait. You want to see the story? I'm in the bar. It's coming and hitting me in the face. Right here. On my lip. You don't want to hear it? Why?
Tell it. Let's hear it.
Yeah. It's hitting my face. What do you want me to do? It's hitting my face. What do you want me to do? Look.
Okay.
I'm on the bar. It's fine.
Whatever happened already happened, all right? Get over it.
Yes. I don't do it.
Okay, stay right there.
2101.
Good.
All right, have a seat.
All right, come on.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
All right, come on.
Have a seat.
There's my shoe.
Hey,
There's my shoe.
Okay, sit down. Sit down.
There's my shoe, please.
Sit
I
down.
just
I don't
want-
care. Sit down in the car.
I just want one shoe.
We'll get to your other shoe.
Sit down. Stand up and sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Hey.
All right, there we go.
I need my shoe.
Get your fucking shoe.
So you think I'm the
You got bigger things to worry about than your shoe right now.
you think I'm the big guy? No. You're wrong.
You got hand sanitizer or something?
The suspect was taken into custody and charged with multiple offenses, including domestic battery and resisting a peace officer. Authorities confirmed that both victims sustained injuries during the incident, though they were not considered life-threatening. He was transported to the Will County Jail, where he was processed and held pending a court appearance. No officers were reported injured during the arrest. This incident highlights how quickly domestic disturbances can escalate in public settings, and the challenges officers face when dealing with uncooperative and potentially violent individuals, captured in real time on police body camera footage.